Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 89 of Surah Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ودوا لو تكفرون كما كفروا فتكونون سواء ودوا. For wow, circle ellipse, fatha upon your jaws, attach with dal. Dal is a shidda letter, so there will be no flow of sound. What the sound will cut off, and then do will be 2 counts long. And for Dhamma, circle ellipse. Low, this is lean, make it 2 counts long, make it soft. And how you're going to make it long, you're giving more nice time here. It will make the letter soft and long when you are giving time on fatha. Low, low, tek. There is no hums in ta when it is mutaharika. When ta is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, there is no hums. So this is shidda letter here. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it kaf. Kaf will get hums. Whenever kaf is with sakoon, it gets hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Tek, fu, for fa, give hums. And after giving hums, give dhamma, circle ellipse for dhamma, and the sound with dhamma will be very short. Fu, fu, uru. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy, and it is 2 counts long here. And for dhamma, circle ellipse. Uru, na is short. Kaf is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Ka, short. Fa, give hums on fa, but with fatha, the sound should be short. Fa, uru, ra is heavy because it's with dhamma, make it 2 counts long. Fa, give hums on fa, for fatha, the sound will be short. Ta is very sharp, no flow of sound. Fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Ku, for dhamma, circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Nu, for dhamma, circle ellipse, and make it 2 counts long. Oh, both should be of same length. Ku, nu, na, short. Sa, seen is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, 4 counts long, because this is muttasil wajib. This will be mud. AYAT. So you are making it 2 counts long. Sawa. Fa, give hums. For fatha, open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp. When it is attached with other ta, the other ta is sharp too. Tat. And then for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short with fatha. Ta. Kha is heavy. For kasra, give e sound. Du, for dhamma, circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Min, for kasra, give e sound. Don't drop this e sound, even though if it is attached with the coming up letter. Me will stay me, and then attach with noon. The sifa over here is the wasut. The ruling is the Min, whom, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of the wasut. Aw, hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attached with wow. Wow. And it will be 2 counts long because this is lean. Aw, li, for kasra, give e sound. Ya, mad, muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. And keep ya very soft. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Ha is from your throat. For fatha, open jaws, attach with ta. Ta will be shadid here. There is no flow of sound. Hat, the sound will cut off, and ta will be 2 counts long. So, open your jaws for fatha. Hatta, you keep ya very soft. You're lifting your tongue up to the palate, but it's not touching it. That is making ya very soft. For dhamma, circle ellipse, you, ha, 2 counts long. Ji, For kasra, give E sound. Ra is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Fi, give hums before kasra, and with kasra, it will be 2 counts long. S, for fatha, open jaws. The sound is short. B, 2 counts long. Nil, keep the kasra sound very clear. You are not making it short. You are not dropping the sound of kasra, but pronouncing it very nicely and with full confidence. Don't rush. Don't be so puzzled. What should I do? Oh, should I make it? Am I making it long? No, you are not making it long. You are giving half of kasra. Lil, lil, and give tawassut on this lam, and then make it 2 counts long because here it is not 2 counts long because we are giving temporary sukoon on ha because of the waqf. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. That is making it mat'arid lisakun. Fi sabilillah. Give hams for fatha upon your jaws. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue very straight. And ta is very sharp, no flop sound for fatha open jaws. Well, for wow, circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get zip out the wasut, and then law will be 2 counts long because this is lean. You're making it soft and making it long too. Fa, give hams for fa, for fatha open jaws. Hu, fa is heavy for dhamma, circle your lips. Du, for dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips on ha, but as you will pronounce me, your lips should be in a straight position and give the wasut on meme because the sifa is the ruling is idghar, the sifa is tawassut. Hum waqa. And which idghar is this? Idghar is shafawi. Naam. Waqa. For wow, circle your lips, for fatha open jaws, attach with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qaf is heavy. Waqa. Tu. For dhamma, circle your lips, the sound of ta is very sharp. No flop sound. Lu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Hum for the circle lips, attach with me. Mim will get sifa off. The was sut. And ruling it with her. And this is her is shafawi. Hawi, have from your throat for fatha open jaws, attach with ya. Make it 2 counts long because this is lean. And um, make it soft, yes. Su for the circle lips, wa for wow circle lips for the open jaws, jet to. This is idgham, and inshallah you will learn about it in advanced course. But just to tell you that this is idgham. Jet to. Ja for jim fatha, open your jaws and attach with ta. Jet to for the circle lips. Mu circle lips for dhamma and make it 2 counts long. Hum for dhamma, circle lips, attach with me. Me will get sifa of tawassut. Wa for wow, circle lips. La for it is 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach with ta. And the second ta is also with shidda. Ta. Kha is heavy for kasra, give E sound. Udu for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Min, give kasra haq of its haq and give E sound and then attach with noon. Me, give this sound, pronounce this sound and then attach with noon. Min. The sifa is tawassut and ruling it with ha. Mim, hum, for the circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, for wow circle ellipse, fatha open jaws. Li, for kasra, give E sound and then attach with ya. Here you are creating number, and number is a jump of sound. When you are attaching lam with ya, here you are giving a sound, and that should be raised little. Li, li. And then yaw. The next step is idgham with gunna, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Young, and then wow, for wow, circle your lips, fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Wa, la, two counts long. Na, for fatha open your jaws. Sli, so this heavy, make it two counts long. Ra, ma, awad, so make it two counts long. What do, ودوا لو تكفرون كما كفروا فتكونون سواء فلا تتخذوا منهم أولياء حتى يهاجروا في سبيل الله فإن تولوا فخذوهم واقتلوهم حيث وجدتموهم ولا تتخذوا منهم وليا ولا نصيرا. Il Hamza is very sharp and attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut, and after that it will be two counts long. Il, this is the wasut, and la, two counts long. Sorry, it is attached with coming up lam. Il, this is the wasut, and then this lam is attached with coming up lam. Lal, for fatha, give its haq, open your jaws and then attach it lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut here. Lal, but fatha is very short. La, the, two counts long. Na, short. Here we have from middle part of your tongue is lifting up towards your palate, but it's not touching it. That is making ya very soft sound. Here, sli, slot is heavy for kasra, get e sound. Lu, for dhamma, circle your lips, make it two counts long. Na, e, hamza is very sharp. The sound cuts off very sharply. For kasra, get e sound. La, two counts long. Qaw, qaf is heavy for fatha, open jaws, attach it. Wow, this is lean, make it two counts long, make it soft. Mim. This is iqlab. You are changing the sound of noon into mim. Iqlab means to change. So you are changing one sound to another. You're changing the sound of noon into mim. Qawmim bay. For fatha, open your jaws and then attach with ya softly. And this is lean. Make it two counts long. Make it soft. Na, short. Kum, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sipa of the wasut and ruling it with her because this is ithar shafawi. Wa, for wow circle ellipse of the open jaws. Bay, na, short. Hum, for the circle ellipse, and this is idgham shafawi when there is meme sakin, and after meme sakin there is another meme. You are merging one meme to another. And this is called idgham shafawi. Hum, me, two counts long. Ta, two counts long. Kun, sifa is tawassut, but ruling is ithar. Kun, aw, hamza is very sharp of fatha and jaws attached. Wow, make it two counts long, make it soft because this is lean. Jat, four counts long because this is muttasil wajib. Ja'u, hamza is very sharp. For dhamma circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Kum, for dhamma circle ellipse, attach it. Mim will get sipa of the wasut and ruling it with hard. Ha from your throat for fatha open jaws. Si, sad is heavy for kasra, give e sound. Rat, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws, attach it. Ta will get sifa of hums. Hums is a flow of breath. Ha, sli, rat. Sad is heavy for Dhamma circle lips. Do, da is very sharp for Dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Uru, ra is heavy for Dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Hum for Dhamma circle lips, attach with meme, you will get sipa off. The wasut, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. I, idgham, with gunna, you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. I, you for Dhamma circle lips, make very soft letter. Qaf is heavy. For Dhammas, for Fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Qati for Kasra, give E sound, no flow of sound. The sound is very sharp. The sound cuts off very sharply. Lu for Dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Kum for Dhamma circle lips, attach it, meme will get sipa off the wasn't and ruling it with her. Ow, Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws, attach it. Wow, make it 2 pounds long. Make it soft because this is lean. You uh, pronounce ya very softly, very softly. You are not pressing your tongue hard to touch the palate. It the sound will be very very different. Don't do that. The tongue will not touch the palate. It should not touch the palate. Ew, qaw, Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. T for kasra, give E sound. Lu for Dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha, open jaws, attach it. Wow, make it 2 counts long, make it soft. And keep Qaf heavy. Ma short. Hum for Dhamma circle lips, attach it. Meme will get sipa off the wasut. Wow, circle lips, fatha open jaws. Low, make it soft, make it 2 counts long because this is lean. Sha, 4 counts long because this is muttasil wajib. Aw, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound will be for fatha, for Hamza very soft, short and sharp. But as it will touch lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Oh, Allah. Make it 2 counts long because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Allahu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. La short. Sel for fatha when you jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Sel. Give safir on scene 2 before fatha. This should be there, this sound should be there, and then with fatha you are completing this sound and attaching with lam. Sal, la. Fatha is very short on lam. To is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short and heavy. Hum for the circle ellipse attach with me will get sip off the wasut. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay 2 counts long and make it soft. Kum for the circle ellipse attach with me will get sipa of the wasut. F for fa, give hums for fatha open jaws. La short. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ta very sharp sound for fatha open jaws. Lu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse attach with me will get sipa of the wasut. As you will pronounce meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Fa, give hums on fa. E, Hamza is very sharp. Nia. This E sound of noon should not be dropped even though it is attached with coming up letter. Ni should stay ni and then attach with ain. Nia. And give tawasut on ain and it should be from your throat. That is very sharp. No flow of sound for fatha open jaws. Z, give a buzzing sound for sa because this is safir. For fatha open your jaws. Z, lu. For the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Kun for the circle ellipse attach with me will get sip off the wasut and ruling it with her. F, give hams on fa for fatha open jaws. Lam for fatha open your jaws well and then attach with me will get sip off the wasut and ruling it with her. You, yeah, it's very soft letter for the circle ellipse. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. T, sharp letter. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. Lu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. kum. For the circular lips attached with meme, we will get sip of tawassut and ruling it with her. For wow, circular lips, fatha open jaws. Al Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. Qaw. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with wow. Make it 2 counts long, make it soft because this is lean. E for kasra give isan. Lay. Make it 2 counts long, make it soft because this is lean. Lay. Ku for the circular lips. Mus for Dhamma circular lips attached with seen. As you will touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position. You are giving you're giving rakha and safir and seen is light too. Mus and then fatha will be very short. S la short. Ma all these letters should be in same length. S, L, M, F. Give hams on fa for fatha open jaws. Ma 2 counts long. J, Jim is from your middle part of your tongue when it is pasted on your palate very nicely and no air is skipping. So this makes Jim very beautiful letter.